Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quinoa porridge. First, measure 1 cup of dry quinoa. It's crucial to rinse the quinoa well under cold running water for about 30 seconds to remove any bitterness. This step ensures a pleasant taste. Next, combine the rinsed quinoa with 2 cups of your chosen liquid in a saucepan. This 2-to-1 ratio is key for perfect texture. Once your quinoa and liquid are in the saucepan, bring them to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. As soon as it boils, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot tightly, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. This allows the quinoa to absorb the liquid fully. After simmering, remove the pot from the heat and let it rest, still covered, for 5 minutes. This resting period helps the grains fluff up beautifully. To enhance the flavor, you can use water, dairy milk, or a plant-based milk like almond or oat milk as your cooking liquid. Consider adding a pinch of cinnamon, a dash of vanilla extract, or a sweetener like maple syrup during the cooking process for extra taste. If your porridge is too thick after cooking, simply stir in a tablespoon or 2 of warm milk or water until it reaches your desired consistency. Quinoa porridge is best enjoyed warm, right after it's prepared. Get creative with your toppings. Fresh berries, sliced bananas, chopped nuts, seeds, or a swirl of nut butter are all fantastic choices. A drizzle of maple syrup or honey adds a touch of sweetness. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh for up to 3 days, ready for a quick reheat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.